What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So to kick this off, we got a lot to break down. We got earnings week coming up, right? The big excuse everyone keeps talking about for the markets to really break up or break down. We're gonna get to pre-Rona levels, or is this the bottom? I'm gonna pull up TOS. We're gonna go over some expected moves. This is on the options chain and kind of see what we're pricing in for the week. I gotta say, like, it's where you see these little blue lines right here, and I draw them every week. Like, here's the indexes. We stayed inside despite everything. As far as that move, went to the bottom, shot up, opened up high a little bit on Friday, but then sold off. Which I gotta say was funny, because on my other channel I actually went live during the day, because like that was weird. So that's why I said, like, man, that was a, we'll know with time, but that was a different move. That was somebody big getting in or somebody big getting out of their short position, like getting in going long. Either way, that was some buyers. It takes a big position to move the market like that, even though like volume is pretty down. I took that as somebody, I think, getting out. We got Friday's sell-off, which with the move from CPI sent it down, and we pushed all the way up, and then a little pullback from here to here, and then pullback to here. No big deal. So that being said, it's definitely something I'm watching out for this week. And as I draw these lines out for you, I think I'm a buyer of premium inside these levels. Pick your direction, make your play, and then I'm a seller as soon as we get out. That's pretty much how I am every week, but specifically this week, I'm watching out for when we break. And I gotta say, like, the buyer's confidence just isn't there. So if we do get any earnings pops, I think I'll actually be looking to sell some calls, sell some kind of premium against them, or possibly even short the company. But we'll see. Let's pull up TOS and get this thing broken down. So there's Tesla. Let's just do the markets real quick. So we got IWM pricing in 644. QQQ 1037. Seems kind of small. All right, SPY 1211. All right, what was Tesla real quick? Let's do a couple that I know have earnings this week. 2091. If I'm off on a few of these pennies wise, just call it out. I'll fix it. Expecting 3048. Bank of America, I think, is tomorrow. They're expecting $1.81, and I know Snapchat, because I don't know if I'm gonna play Snap or Facebook. Meta 203. Let's just chart these out. I have them fresh in my head. All right, as far as the Russell goes, all right, let's get to the daily. 644. I'm also curious, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm always curious what everyone else's opinion is. Was it the 21st? Man, I got really excited there. I don't know why I always do that. Alright, so 644. Let's rock and roll. Right on the penny there. Alright, hang on. Alright, let's save that. Q. Alright, let's go to Q's. This one I thought was a little bit low. So last week I told you guys I was going long if we got there. That was a banging move. That was over 200 points, especially if you're a futures trader. That was a huge move. I ended up going short intraday on Friday. Like, I was long in the morning. Once we broke down, I ended up going short. Didn't swing anything over the weekend though, futures wise, except the oil. To 1037, which we did get a little green pop there on oil. All right, 1037. Now, with lower volume like we've seen, we can push things a lot faster. So now more than ever, these are not support and resistance levels. That's an inside joke for a long time, because we would just run to these levels and just bounce and hold, and it would just be awkward. It was just kind of funny. But I don't know if it's worth playing that game this week right now. All right. Also, is that magic or what? Just saying, we dropped down, hit that type 2, bounced. Where was that type 2? At the expected move, right there at the zones. Everything lined up to just go long there. Hopefully you took advantage of that trade. All right, now SPY was 1211. Well, at least that breaks it. All right. Okay, I remember Tesla was 2091. And if you're new to this channel, I usually just do the big three and then Tesla. So sorry, this is a little bit longer than normal, but we'll see how these interact. I don't know. I gotta say, I kind of have a long bias this week. If Tesla does surprise, if we stay sideways or something like that, and Tesla surprises, I'm looking to short it actually after it pops. All right, Netflix was 30.48. Drops it right to that zone, huh? That'll be interesting. Are you guys playing any of these? I guess my other question. All right, and Bank of America was $1.81. One little weird one. All right, so I don't know. Like as far as banks go, I'm interested to see how this goes. See if that's going to push the dollar anywhere. I don't know, I want to see how far. I guess yeah, financials in general. Kind of want to see how these really interact. So. So basically, Bank of America is going to one zone or the next. That's an interesting one. All right, and last one was Snap at 203. Again, I'm just going off memory, so if those are off, it should only be by pennies. They shouldn't be off at all. But it should ballpark it for you. Man, come on. I hate when stupid stuff just gets in the way. Like, I just want to see the top of it. Not that stupid. Are you kidding me? God. Alright, there we go. Sorry. Like, I wanted to just draw this, but that box got in the way. That was really annoying me. Alright, 203. Alright, and that should wrap up your expected moves. I gotta say, like, I have a long bias at first. But man, it's going to be an interesting week, which we are going to talk about right now on the Don Franz Show. So if you're new, I have two channels. This is Don Franz Trading, pre-recorded, uploaded. I'm going to do some real estate stuff as well. But Don Franz Show, just ticker breakdowns, more stock stuff. Well, pretty much only stock stuff. But I go live, so I can talk to you guys and get your feedback, read comments, answer questions. So hopefully I got you for both channels. If not, I appreciate you subscribing to either one. And I will see you guys in the next video.